Hi everybody, Gentleman Woodturner is out on the road today, and I've come to see my good friend and fellow woodturner and fellow registered professional turner, Colwin Way. So we're here at his shop. You can see him in there, busy away, turning fruit. I'm going to go in and have a quick look at the shop and speak to him and his wife Vicky. So as you can see, Colwin's got some stock up on the shelves. Some beautiful pieces, absolutely stunning stuff. Shop's laid out really nice. Make sure you come along and have a look. So here we have the man himself.
Say again?
I said here we have the man himself. Turning fruit.
Oh, turning fruit, yeah. Not very good in these things, is it?
Can't hear what anyone says.
No, thing. Turning fruit, we got a lovely selection of timbers, right from ebonies to palutes to branos, good old English oak, spotted beeches, loads of different things. So even some bloodwood going on here, so and some anomalies, things I don't know. So yeah, a bit of colour.
Mystery wood.
Yeah, fruit's all about colour, isn't it? So
there it is.
Colour.
Spinning on the wave.
Bit of Congalo on there at the moment, just top and tailing. Beautiful markings in that.
And he's got a lovely view of all his potential customers.
Yeah. Feel a little bit like a goldfish at times, but that's what we do, isn't it? A bit of a goldfish. I'm going to get a little sticker made up saying don't feed the animals.
That's going to work. Here's the rest of his workshop. Colwin's starting his lessons next week. Fully fitted workshop. And again, this beautiful fruit.
Nice working in the sunshine because it doesn't allow you to make any mistakes or leave any scratches.
It's not that you ever make any mistakes, Colwin.
That's good. There's certain timbers, this is one of them. Most of these fruit are going to go up to 400 grit abrasive, but there's certain timbers that need the 600 or even the 800. Exotics especially. This is Klingspor Abrasives. But I've got some ebony back there and some of those really dense ones. You have to go to 600.
So this is Vicky,
Hello.
Colwin's wife. So what's it like being in the new shop?
It's amazing. Everything feels right about it. It feels the right place, and yeah, just everything feels like we should be here. Yeah, it feels really good.
So what about these wood turning courses then?
So these wood turning courses, we are offering a one-day course at £180, and we are offering a 2-day course at £330. So you can buy the vouchers for friends or anybody that you know might be interested in learning to wood turn. So they make a great gift, and yeah, I think they're quite a nice thing to have.